Welcome, here I've got TCL 20 SE and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on auto photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we pick this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the general category, and here we can see the watermark option. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and off as we need. For now let me keep it turned on. Let's move back to the camera to take the picture to see this watermark at the real one. Now let's move to the left to this button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is our photo with watermark in the left corner at the bottom, so we can get closer to it. As you can see, this is how it looks like, TCL 20 SE, digital greatness. And of course when we don't need it, we have to go back to the camera, then to the left corner settings, slide down to the general category and use this button with watermark to turn it off. So now when we take another picture, it should be not visible at it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.